Welcome to Rastgar Engineering Company. Rastgar was formed in 1967. We manufacture premium quality ductile iron axle end assemblies, wheel hubs, brake drums, brackets, and steering knuckles for trucks, trailers, and passenger cars. With more than 500 employees and 70% of sales exported globally, we are one of the largest auto parts exporters in Pakistan. 3 generations of the Rastgar family have contributed to the success of this enterprise, which has continued to grow on a basis of specialization, dedication, and customer service. In 1967, Imtiaz Rastgar, a 21-year-old graduate, established a foundry manufacturing grinding media for the cement industry of Pakistan. In 1980, Rastgar made a new foundry for the automotive industry for making axle housing and other components for the Pakistan tractor industry. By 1990, Rastgar established the nation's first ever private sector CNC machining facility. In 1991, Rastgar produced its first machined wheel hub. Soon after, wheel hub became the highest selling product of Rastgar, and today we have produced more than 6 million wheel hubs for the OEMs and aftermarket. In 1994, Rastgar pioneered auto part exports from Pakistan to Ireland and later to US and various countries in Europe. In 2005, the country's first ever high-pressure molding line was procured from Heinrich Wagner Sinto, Germany. In 2008, with collaboration of our technology partners from Switzerland, Germany, Holland, and Denmark, Rastgar successfully developed steering knuckle of Toyota, making it one of the few companies in the world capable of producing safety-critical components. Later in 2016, Rastgar started production of steering knuckles for Honda. At present, we export to more than 50 countries worldwide, and Rastgar has developed into an iconic brand, synonymous with quality and timely delivery. At Rastgar, all our operations are under one roof. This is what sets us apart from competitors. From procurement of raw materials to product development, engineering, foundry, CNC machining, quality assurance, painting, till packaging, all are carried out in our own premises. Thus, we are able to maintain quality at each and every step. Various renowned companies of the world are associated with Rastgar as technology partners. Our product development department is fully equipped to develop components according to customer specifications, as well as to engineer new components for customers according to application needs. Casting process simulation softwares like MagmaSoft and SolidCast are used before development of actual parts of all critical components. We offer rapid product development, and our off-tool samples can be developed within 21 days. All patterns are produced in-house. In addition to CAD, CAM, and 3D modeling, finite element analysis, FEA, is conducted for testing the structural and physical strength of the components. In-depth knowledge of metallurgy and systematic statistical process control are at the heart of precision manufacturing culture at Rastgar. Spread over 100,000 square feet, we have an annual capacity to produce 12,000 tons of premium quality gray and ductile iron castings. Molds are made in high-pressure, fully automated molding lines. Sand preparation and conveying system are supplied by Irish, Germany. Both molding and sand systems are centrally controlled by Siemens Process Control System. Molten metal is supplied by 2 inductotherm furnaces with chemistry controlled by spectrometer, CE meter, and chill test. Special purpose machining cells have been acquired for high volume production. Special fixtures and advanced machining techniques are employed to ensure the highest level of accuracy, productivity, and repeatability. Rastgar is an ISO TS 16949, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and OHSAS 18001 certified company. Our QA department is equipped with coordinate measuring machines, surface roughness testers, ultrasonic testers, cryogenic testers, metallurgical microscopes, image analyzing softwares, and complete sand testing lab. We offer packaging and preservation of our products as per customer specifications. We always provide quality products, on time, every time. Our technical staff has extensive experience in various foundry and machine shop specializations. We are associated with various international experts who visit us regularly for technical training and technology transfer. We have a culture of continuous learning, and frequent skill enhancement sessions are conducted. At Rastgar, safety is a priority. as we value precious lives of our team members. We have a special focus on safety orientation and emergency response training. We frequently participate in various international exhibitions to have a face-to-face interaction with our customers. Our customers acknowledge us for our premium quality, and we have received multiple quality awards in the past decades. At Rastgar, we conduct business the right way. Our culture encourages professionalism and high ethical standards. We provide good working environment and training opportunities. We continually facilitate academia-industry linkages and play our part in knowledge transfer and skill enhancement of university students through seminars and factory visits. We are driven to design an environment that inspires and empowers team members to reach the fullest potential of their creative and professional talents. Apart from various financial and medical benefits, Rastgar engages its team members in creative pursuits, sports and fitness programs, and community service projects. We remain committed to a greener tomorrow. In line with our vision, Rastgar's ideal is the beautification of its environment, be it through elimination of wastes, recycling projects, or system optimization. Over the course of 50 years, from a small foundry to a recognized auto parts manufacturer, Rastgar has gone a long way. While we are proud of our past, we are enthusiastic about our future, and we strive to make the world a more beautiful place through our products, our processes, and our people.